Why CCNP is crucial for cybersecurity in networking. Cybersecurity and networking are intrinsically linked. Networks serve as the backbone of IT infrastructure, connecting devices, applications, and users. However, this connectivity also opens gateways for cyber attacks. The CCNP certification is a professional credential from Cisco. It validates advanced networking knowledge and skills. It comprises several tracks, including enterprise, security, data center, collaboration, and service provider. Comprehensive understanding of network architectures. To secure a network effectively, professionals must understand how it operates. The CCNP certification delves deeply into network architectures, protocols, and configurations. Expertise in network security tools and protocols. The CCNP security track trains candidates on cutting-edge security tools and protocols, including Cisco Firepower and ASA Firewalls, VPN technologies, site-to-site, remote access, etc. Focus on threat detection and mitigation. Cyber threats evolve constantly. So, detecting and fixing them is vital for any network professional. CCNP certification ensures that candidates are well versed in identifying anomalies in network traffic. Integration of network automation and security. Automation is reshaping networking. It brings a challenge. Securing automated workflows. CCNP certified professionals are trained in network automation and programmability. Securing enterprise networks. Large enterprises often operate complex networks that require advanced security measures. CCNP certified professionals can design and implement secure networks. They protect sensitive data from cyber threats. Addressing compliance requirements. Regulatory compliance is a significant concern for organizations. CCNP certification teaches skills to implement security solutions. They must meet GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI-DSS standards. This reduces the risk of penalties. Conclusion. In conclusion, the CCNP certification proves networking skills. It's a step to mastering cybersecurity in networking. CCNP teaches pros to secure networks against modern threats. It makes them vital in today's digital world.